Hello, ladies. Welcome to our first webinar on Viveve. We're so excited that you are joining us, and thanks for your interest in this amazing topic. I'm Teresa Cadwallader, RN, here at Image Perfect Laser, and joining me is
Michael Huneman, the family nurse practitioner.
And we will be your hosts. Unfortunately, Dr. Zatren couldn't join us for this one, but has contributed greatly to our decision-making process in feminine rejuvenation. We started this journey almost 2 years ago after receiving multiple questions and listening to the enthusiasm in this topic. We invested countless hours researching different technologies in this field and are so thrilled to offer this unique and effective non-surgical solution for all of women's health issues. Image Perfect Laser has been providing aesthetic procedures to women of all ages for the past 20 years. We've listened to your needs and offer so many effective yet safe procedures in our industry. Listening to our patients has really opened our eyes and ears and is extremely important to us. Just as our skin changes after childbirth, menopause, simply aging, hormonal and weight fluctuations, our vaginal tissue changes too. It's no different. So, okay, ladies, let's dig in and learn more about Viveve.
What exactly is Viveve, and is it right for me? Let's look at these three main questions. Do you leak urine when you laugh, cough, sneeze, or work out? Or maybe when you jump rope in exercise class, or maybe the last time you jumped on a trampoline with your kids?
Yeah, that was a disaster for me.
Have you noticed a decreased arousal or diminished orgasm during intercourse? Is your vaginal dryness causing discomfort to you or your partner? All of these symptoms have something in common: the loss of collagen, elastin, stretching of the tissue, and decreased blood flow to the area. All of these issues can be improved with Viveve.
If you answered yes to any of these questions, ladies, you are not alone. Statistics show that over 50% of women suffer from leakage. This happens to so many women, and not just women who have had children. We have a very good friend that is only 26 years old and has always suffered from leakage since puberty. We performed the Viveve treatment in January, and it has been truly life-changing. She can now work out and live leak-free. Did you realize that over 25% of female athletes have experienced urinary leakage, and these are women who have not even had children? Also, 40% of women suffer from sexual dysfunction and are embarrassed to talk about it. Does any of this apply to you?
So what does the Viveve treatment do? This is a very important question, one that you ladies may already be familiar with. We treat aging skin on the face, neck, décolleté, and body every day. So our vaginal tissue is no different. It loses collagen, elastin structure, and blood flow through the aging process as well. The Viveve system treats the vaginal tissue with a cryogen-cooled monopolar radiofrequency. So basically, by gently heating that tissue, you're causing little micro injuries that will increase collagen and blood flow. This in turn increases arousal, lubrication, and supports the urethra and builds up the vaginal wall, leading to improved intimacy.
Sign me up!
Where do I sign?
So as we said earlier, we spent almost 2 years in looking at different technology for feminine rejuvenation. We looked at fractional CO2 lasers that ablate or burn the vaginal wall. We also looked at other radiofrequency devices that just did not heat the tissue safely to the depth of Viveve. The cryogen cooling and consistent release of heat and greater time spent on tissue allows this energy to travel beyond the vaginal wall. Viveve technology safely penetrates 10 times deeper than any other technology and is patented and only found in Viveve.
So another thing we love about Viveve is that it is a comfortable one-and-done treatment. Most other devices require a series of 3 to 5 treatments, and the results can be very user-dependent and at times uncomfortable. With Viveve's single, comfortable 30 to 45-minute treatment, we've had women fall asleep, answer emails, and watch Netflix. Others just prefer to chat. Actually, most prefer to chat. The first thing our patients begin to notice as the collagen begins to regenerate is an increase in lubrication and blood flow to the area. At about 90 days, most women begin to notice the full effects, including the relief of urinary leakage, which Viveve studies have shown sustained effects for 12 months. What we tell people is just as your face and body age, so does your vaginal tissue. So are touch-up treatments needed? It really depends on several factors: age, hormonal replacement, and severity of initial symptoms. Most women will have a maintenance treatment anywhere from 1 to 3 years later, because who wants to go back to the alternative?
So are you a good candidate for Viveve? Anyone over the age of 18 who is feeling any of these symptoms is a candidate. Let's take a moment so you can review these symptoms again. If you have had a baby, we suggest waiting 6 months post-delivery and 6 months post-nursing for your hormones to level out. We do not recommend this treatment if you have had an implanted device like a pacemaker or defibrillator.
So what results should you expect? I think we've already touched on this. However, one of the things that our team wanted to make sure with this treatment is that it had significant scientific data to back it up. There was a CNN article out last summer about how the FDA was clamping down on a lot of these device companies for making claims that had not been backed or substantiated by evidence. The Viveve system is approved in over 50 countries for treatment of urinary incontinence, vaginal laxity, and sexual function. They have studies published in peer-reviewed journals, including double-blind sham studies. We always choose our devices and procedures carefully for both safety and efficacy. We believe in Viveve, absolutely.
What should you expect during treatment? Well, for starters, a pleasant experience. We offer a safe, beautiful, and comfortable environment with highly trained female staff and practitioners.
Part of your experience with Image Perfect Laser will include an in-depth 45-minute consultation to make sure you are a candidate for Viveve. This will be a one-on-one time with your practitioner to discuss any special questions or concerns in preparation for the treatment. Any warnings or precautions are always discussed and cleared prior to treatment.
So what are patients saying? I think her smile says it all, and so do these testimonials.
And here's another happy Viveve patient. One more time, we choose Viveve. Safe, effective, proven, quick and comfortable, repeatable outcomes, and lasting effects.
So that about wraps it up for our first webinar. Thank you so much again for attending. We are hoping this was both educational and inspirational. Viveve is truly changing lives. Please reach out to us with any further questions or to schedule your complimentary consultation. You can join us at imageperfectlaser.com or call us at 949-485-3866. Thanks again for watching this webinar, and because you've watched our webinar, you are entitled to $300 off the Viveve procedure, and will also be entered into our raffle to win a $300 gift certificate towards any of our other amazing treatments. Thanks for joining us and have a great day.